Hello and welcome to another video about Cardano. In this video we again want to have a quick look at the Cardano price. Before we do that, take a quick look at the Bitcoin price. There might be some moves happening very soon. And as always, thanks for all the likes, thanks for all the comments, and I'm just overwhelmed by all the new subscribers and just amazed how fast this channel is growing. So thanks again, and we'll go straight into, let's do Bitcoin first. Quickly have a look. What we can see here, we are still, or we were in that downtrend here. We had 3 touches here, then we broke that downtrend just exactly here. We're now on the way up again. However, we didn't manage to make a new high. That is a bit concerning for me. However, what we can see now here looks to me like a bull flag again. This is the 4-hour chart. So we can see something like a bull flag forming here. So you can see the flag post, and then we have a descending channel, which is generally part of a bull flag. And the higher the sort of flag is on the pole, the better. And it looks like it is quite high here. So my current view is that we should bounce off here, this wide support level, as it hits it in the next, like, when could that be? Probably like the next 4 to 8 hours, and then hopefully bounce to the upside, because we have broken that downtrend. Yeah, we can see some huge green candles that turned up here, and we can see the bull flag structure, which is, by the way, different to what we saw here before we broke down, because this is not necessarily considered a bull flag, because a bull flag is normally characterized by green flagpole and then a descending channel. So this was ascending, this was actually broadening as well. So yeah, it wasn't a clear bull flag here, but again, they never guarantee to play out, and whatever I say here, I can only comment on what I'm seeing. So you eventually have to wait for the breakout, and if you're a trader, you can then make your trading decision when the breakout happens. What also makes me slightly bullish is that we can see the moving average here, the 20-day moving average and the 50-day moving average going up, coming to support that as well. So I never only look at one indicator, but I've got various indicators here. I've got the trend which was broken, the negative downtrend was broken. So we're again moving up. Yes, I agree, we haven't seen a new high yet, but that could be coming now, because we have this bullish pattern, bull flag, plus these 2 moving averages coming up on the 4-hour chart. That should hopefully support the Bitcoin price. You know, it's often manipulated or so then you can just not do anything. But yeah, we can see it clearly here, descending channel, and we should really get a decision in the next few hours, and then we might even move closer to the apex. So this could turn into the evening here, UK time. I don't know if it will continue to trade. It shouldn't continue to trade in a channel like that, because what we have here now is we've got this upwards channel that we know, the white one that I often show you in my videos, coming up. So this support line, this diagonal support line, should really either support the Bitcoin price in that range here going forward, yeah, so towards that apex at pretty much exactly 48,900, or we bounce off and go straight through here. There is a slight chance, in my opinion, that we go down. Of course there is, but we've got here, even on the hourly, we've got now the 200-day moving average as well, the yellow one, and we made a bullish crossover here, and that makes me quite bullish, at least, you know, in the short term. But long term anyway, I'm extremely bullish on Bitcoin, and we took a look at that in other videos. So the long-term trend is there anyway, to the upside, and now it seems like we could be on the upside for Bitcoin, which again would have a great impact on Cardano. What we can see here, 282, so slight drop again. This currently is the daily chart. Let me make that a bit clearer. On the daily, we haven't managed to make a new high yet. But at the moment, yeah, we're still struggling with the $3 level. There might be 1 or 2 attempts before we get through. But what just makes me bullish on Cardano anyway in the long run, and you know that, is the Alonso hard fork. Also next week, and that will potentially be a price driver as well to the upside. Next week, we are going to hard fork the testnet. That will be a big one. If that goes successful, that could boost the price as well. Maybe not on the same day, but maybe the day after. And so, you know, in the long run anyway, I'm extremely bullish on Cardano. As you know, it's my biggest holding. Very short term here to you know, look at the next possible moves. I think we are in a good way. We've seen that massive pump here, and this is obviously the daily chart. But what could be forming here on the daily is another bull flag potentially. What is a bit concerning that we haven't made a new high yet, but again, it's a $3 mark. It's really it's a big one, and we haven't seen that sort of a candle trying to go through with a lot of rejection. It's not massive rejection at this level, in my opinion. We sometimes see price going through and then huge rejection, which then would be a bit concerning. But at the moment, we've just not made the new high yet, but that should be coming in my view. Let's take a quick look at the 4-hour chart. We currently seem to be at this resistance level here, or support level at 282, 283. So that is something to watch out for, because we haven't made a new high yet. But again, what that could be is something like another bull flag forming, as we've seen so many times now with Cardano. Just that descending channel now, which will then break out eventually to the upside. When that will happen, no idea. It normally, if it is a bull flag, it shouldn't drop below the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement, which we can take a look at if we start down here at the swing low to the upside, and then the 0.5 is somewhere here at 272. So we shouldn't drop below the 272. If we do, it's normally not a valid bull flag anymore. But again, that is the same level at which we currently have here on the 4-hour chart, the 20-day moving average. So at the moment, I think we shouldn't, it wouldn't be great if we drop below 272. It might mean that we might retrace back to that now temporarily, and that could help us to make to gain more traction for the upside. The sellers are not very strong here. You can see that here we had the red candles going smaller and smaller, whereas on the upside the green candles got bigger and bigger. And yeah, we just didn't manage to make a new high yet. Big red candle, and now very small red candles only. So shows me, you know, it's looking bullish. And if we can expect a move to the upside of Bitcoin here, and we are currently down to that level that we just talked about, that support level here, if we manage to break to the upside of that descending channel at the moment, which could be part of a bull flag, we managed to break through to the upside to the top resistance level here at 49,000. So you can watch that later today. If we break above the 49, we should expect a breakout, a real breakout, and we should also expect then Cardano to move to the upside. It could be a move that will take us through the $3, but it could also be that we'll touch the $3 again. But if I talk about support levels, here the 282 is a small one at the moment. It was support and resistance before, but the next main ones are for me here on the 4-hour chart. The 270 level, just showed you the Fibonacci retracement of this move, and I also show you these two moving averages here, which we should hopefully bounce off. If we break below them, that wouldn't be great, I think. Then we see each other again at 250. But yeah, I think this could now be a bit more retracement, and then I think we should be able to, if Bitcoin manages really to break out, and if that turns out to be a bull flag here, then we should see the $3 very, very, very shortly. I know you're all interested in getting above the $3. That's fine. It just, for every long-term holder, to be honest, it's not great because we can't buy at good prices again. But anyway, it's still great to see that excitement in the market, to see this cryptocurrency flourish, and it's a fantastic project. So hopefully that update was useful. Again, I've just opened my second channel today, so if you want to check that out, you can find it on my channel page, and I made another video on the second channel today if you want to learn about technical analysis in general. And yeah, thanks for all your likes, thanks for all your comments, and thanks for all your subscriptions. So see each other in the evening update today. Bye.